Dear children, good morning. How are you all? Fine? Keeping fine? Good, thank you. It's Sunday today, so I thought let me talk to you. You might be having some time today as there is no class today. No class? No. You have some classes, music class, computer class, some of the class students only. Okay. So today I'm just sending you a movie also. Not exactly, it's not a movie. It's a short story, right? And the title is Malgudi Days. So Malgudi Days is it was a serial. It was telecast on Doordarshan long back. So I thought ki let me just explore it and send it to the students. So I explored and found many good videos. So for today I have selected one that I am sending to you. It's about Swami and his friends. Right. So with this serial there are two famous people associated, R.K. Narayan and R.K. Lakshman. I'll not let you know, I'll not tell you anything about R.K. Narayan or R.K. Lakshman, that you have to find your own and share with me. Right? Whatever you can explore about them, please let me know, and about Malgudi Days, that what is it actually. So please go through it. There is a character in that Swami, and see the acting he does, right? And this is the backdrop of these stories is pre-independence, right? The backdrop of these stories is pre-independence. So how was the life, that you can come to know that how was the life. So every Sunday we will send you one episode of this, right? But you have to work upon it and have to learn something out of it. It's not only for the entertainment. It's not at all only for the entertainment, right? It's for something to learn also, right? You will do. I know you will do. Next is CBSE's guidelines I have sent to your parents. Please you also go through them and find out what can be done. You can understand and you can work upon it. I know you are capable of, right? So please go through them and then try to do what can be done. One thing I want to tell you, that like peer groups you have to make, like in class 5th the students of class 5th have made a group and in which they study maths. Very good, thank you so much. I am really proud of class 5th. Likewise, the students have to make the groups and do something constructive in the group and make a report, right? Abhi, a task that I am giving to you is of all the students have to coordinate coordinate with one another and prepare a play. Please prepare a play, beautiful play that you can prepare, in which all the students are participating, right? The movie I had sent you, Georgie, in which the character was Georgie, right? So see, had you noticed his acting? I had mentioned that thespian word I had just used, right? So likewise you have to see through the movies that you watch, the ability of acting, how to act well. So that you have to develop, and through these movies that I am also sending today you have to learn, and then you have to, each class has to make one, prepare a play, right? And how much time can be given for a play, that I'll decide, because first is Rakhi competition, so you have to prepare for the Rakhi competition also, and in Rakhi competition guidelines are given, so you can work up accordingly. And besides, you have to select the play, take help of your parents. CBSE has clearly instructed that parents have to help the children, so take help of the parents in a group, make the group of the students and the parents also, and then discover a play. It should be of hardly 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes, because then it will be a little heavy also, the video will be heavy also, and it cannot be forwarded, right? So but how to make, you have to decide. I'll not guide you, not at all, I'll not at all guide you. You have to just discover it your own only, right? And let me see the talent of the students, and I know that you are capable of, right? So for today, that first you have to go through the message of the guidelines of the CBSE and try to understand, and what you can do, please do share with me in case you feel like. So please give a message to me. You can give a call also to me, or an audio message also to me, that ma'am we want to do this thing. So For today, I'm just sending you a movie, an episode of Malgudi Days. And second thing, that you have to work for a play. Each class has to present a play, beautiful play, in which all the students will participate. And how you will do that, you have to find out. You can take the help of your teachers. Your teachers are really very, very expert in making the videos and all. They are expert in using the technology. I'm not at all. I don't know how to use technology, but the teachers are really very, very expert. So you can guidelines, you can invite guidelines from the teachers. They can help you, they'll help you, but only when you demand. They'll come to your help only when you demand, right? If you don't demand, so they'll not come to. Okay, so this is to be kept in mind, and these two things are to be done. Rakhi making. For Rakhi making, you have to show your ideas, your imagination, and second thing, the play is to be created by you all only, right? Let's see what our children can do. And they can do miracle. I know they are capable of doing miracles, right? So I hope you will not disappoint me. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.